really is sealed. He told me it was sealed. I didn't believe him.
Sealed box?
Yeah, sealed box. It really is sealed. He told me it was sealed. I didn't believe him.
Sealed box?
Yeah, sealed box.
Sealed box means you got a little less space, but you got more space in the back. Yeah. Nice. How much cubic space is it?
It's about 2.5 per sub.
2.5 per sub, okay. Sorry if I get in?
Yep. Dude, for a daily sealed, you can't go wrong with this, dude, honestly. You got a solid bandwidth like that to be sealed, dude. That's not... You don't see that often to be sealed and have that much of a bandwidth, you know? I got a single acuity of,
I'm ready for a demo. Oh yeah. So what's the equipment for this build?
It is a 2 5 15s,
Okay.
full 2s, wired down to 2 ohms, Rockford T2500 BDCP,
Okay.
T404 on punch series, power series 6x9s. And this is my daily setup.
Okay. Have you made it in at all?
Nah, I don't chase numbers, man.
I understand.
Just
All right.
for a daily, I mean,
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, my daughter's always with me, so my seats are always
Yep.
up. So.
Is it louder with seats forward?
Actually, I think it's about the same either way.
Okay. All right.
Wish I could go back in time, make the wrongs that I did in reverse of the right. Wish I could take my pain, the hurt, the struggle, inside. Wish I could say I'm sorry. People are broken before I died. Wish I could go back in time to my father, I never get paid. Wish I could go to my mom that I love her and all of this money I got, I don't need her. Wish I could go to the church that comes to New York and live with the talk of my daddy. No regular clean, I'm down on my knees, he's ready to shoot me, I'm practically clean. Myself just to make me believe. I had these goals, these dreams in my mind that were mine that I'll never achieve. All of these gifts, these towns were given by God. I was blessed to receive. I was promised it with my bitches and money and all of this shit that you pray for. They needed help with depression. All of my passive aggression, I should have confessed it. I learned my lesson. I didn't get nothing but sadness and fucked over all of my blessings. Fucking perfection. I should have walked on my own and I traveled the common direction. Just to retract it. Just to retract now. Wish I would've not held back. Wish I would've not been back. Wish I would've held my name. Wish I would've put that bitch when I had that game. Wish I would've stayed Why? Wish I would've never put my time into those people who were never trying to give it to me back. Wish I would've never put my heart into a woman that would break it and allow her just to have a second chance. Wish I would've let them see what I was really dealing with instead of trying to hide it on the motherfucking track. Or merely just to prove that I'm a legend in the making, just to show them what it looks like when I get it right back. blessing, fucking refreshing. I should've walked on my own and I traveled the common direction. Just to return. Just to return. Wish I would've not held back. Wish I would've not felt bad. Wish I would've hung my head. Wish I would've thought that bitch would've heard that day. Wish I would've sold. Wish I would've never put my time into those people who were never trying to give it to me back. Wish I would've never put my heart into a woman that will break it and allow it just to have a second chance. Wish I would've let them see what I was really dealing with instead of trying to hide it on the motherfucking track. Or a million just to prove that I'm a legend in the making, just to show them what it looks like when I get it right back.
Not gonna lie, I need your forgiveness.
Wow. It's got decent bandwidth for a seal box too. So yeah, I appreciate you giving me a demo. What was your name?
I'm Marcus.
Marcus. Okay. Thanks, Marcus, man.
Watch your channel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
JacobViral, yes sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. Not too many sealed boxes, but when you get them, you notice they got a little bit cleaner bandwidth, and you don't have that high peak, so you get a little more musical bandwidth response, if you know what I mean. So,
Oh yeah.
thanks for showing me, man. Nice to meet you.
Dude, really, bro. This.
Yeah.
Dude. And like I was saying, when I play the outside.
Wish I would've never put my time into those people who were never trying to give it to me back. Wish I would've never put my heart into a woman that will break it and allow it just to have a second chance. Wish I would've let them see what I was really dealing with instead of trying to hide it on the motherfucking track. Or a million just to prove that I'm a legend in the making, just to show them what it looks like when I get it right back. Not gonna lie, I need your forgiveness.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.